Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by connecting the Samsung to your computer with a reliable cable. Use the original if possible, because cheap cables can only charge. Once connected, unlock the phone and swipe down to reveal notifications. Make sure to tap the Android system notification that usually reads charging or USB options. When it appears, select the USB Preferences button to expose modes. Pick File Transfer, MTP, so the computer can see media and documents. This initial step switches the link from power-only to data-capable mode. If the USB mode doesn't show or resets, make a persistent change through Developer Options. First, open Settings and go to About Phone, then tap build number 7 times and confirm your PIN to enable Developer Options. Once enabled, go back to Settings, open Developer Options, and find Default USB Configuration. Choose File Transfer so future connections automatically use MTP. This prevents repeated taps on the notification and explains why the behavior persists. You're telling Android to prefer data transfer over charging each time. With File Transfer selected, open File Explorer on the computer and locate the Samsung under this PC. You can now drag and drop photos, videos, and documents. On the phone, use My Files to copy or move items before transfer, and remember to safely eject the device when done. If the device isn't visible, try a different USB port, another cable, or reinstall MTP drivers on the computer. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with the phone unlocked and screen on so the transfer permission remains active.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.